Good afternoon or good evening, everyone. On today's video, I'll be walking you through how I withdraw funds from the Arbitrage system. Alright, so it's about time to withdraw the 18th, the 18th withdrawal from the CAT Arbitrage system. Alright, so like you're just seeing, the countdown has ended, and then I'll have to refresh this to be able to withdraw the fund from the CAT Arbitrage system. I may end up withdrawing 0.14 from the CAT Arbitrage system. Anyway, so we're here now, and then I'll just go ahead and follow the same process to withdraw this fund from the Arbitrage system by doing what? Clicking this, or I can as well reinvest. So I'll click on the withdraw reward, and then I'll wait for this to navigate to the other page. So I'll wait for this to navigate to the Trust Wallet page, where I will have to approve the transaction so that I can finally have the 0.14 BNB deposit to my BNB wallet address on the Trust Wallet platform. I think I'm having this network issue here, so let me change my network to my Wi-Fi network, or my Wi-Fi network. Okay, so that took a whole lot of time. I guess it's the network or so. As usual, I'm gonna pay 0.18 cents. So I'll go ahead and click approve. And I had my password as usual. Okay, I think there was this multiple withdrawal thing. Anyway, as you can see here, this is initiating the withdrawal from the account, and okay, I'll just go to the Trust Wallet account. I'm sure the money has been deposited there. So I'll just go to the Trust Wallet account, and then let's see what we have right here. Alright, so the fund has been deposited here. This is it here. Okay, the money has been deposited here. So let me just click here so I can be sure of that. Okay, so let me click on this. Anyway, so the money is right here already. I have $42 that I've earned from the CAT Arbitrage system transferred into my Binance Matching wallet account. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next 24 hours as usual.